How to fix Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V, which is select all, copy and paste not working on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are trying to access all of the shortcuts from your keyboard but is not able to use it, here are a few fixes that you can definitely try. To get started with, open your device manager and on it select Human Interface Devices, right-click on the driver and update it. Make sure to update each of such drivers and try to access the keyboard shortcuts as well. However, if it is not solving the issue, let's move on to the keyboard section. Click on Uninstall Device and then click on Active or Action. Then click on Scan for hardware changes, which will detect any changes on the driver and try to reinstall your keyboard. Once reinstalled, you can now try to access the shortcut keys again and you should be good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.